Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to try something just a little bit different that I've been seeing like literally everywhere, is where people like organize the photo cards they've got into their folders. Yeah, I'm copying trends, but it looks like fun and I really enjoy watching them, so I'm just gonna do it anyway. This is a stack of cards that I've got to put in. Most of them I feel special, but I have a couple others. And I've like changed my feel special collection just like a little bit, just because this is a nice era and I really like the cards. Let's get past all of these. And I finally finished Che's Signal collection. Yay! It's taken me so long to finish these first albums, honestly. I don't know why. Okay, this is Feel Special. Now I think I have most of Che's cards. This one's not going with these ones though. So where are the border cards? Most of them are border cards. Put the gold card in the middle. Oh, that's gonna slip out. We'll see. So I'd like to keep these two together because they look similar, and then these two, and then these two. But there are some I don't have, so we'll see. Put these two down here. There's still one card that won't fit on here, which is so irritating. No, we'll take her gold card out because I have some others. And then there are 3 cards that I don't have. So my reasoning with this is these two are together because she's wearing the same outfit, and then these two are together wearing the same outfit, and the same reason for that, but then these two are both glitter borders, so I put those together. Yeah, it's stupid. I know. So that's Che's page. And I actually, this era they've only got one border, like coloured border. So I was like, I'll just get them all. Because why not? And I also have a spare Mina. Put the gold cards here. And I also have this mistake card that I want to put in because it's quite cool. Age order. I've never had a full page of all the members for twice before. It looks really good. And then I'm just going to slot this one in the back. It makes me want to collect OT9, to be honest, this right here. But you know, that's obviously not viable with how many cards they have. So then there's this page. Yeah, we just have a page for the gold cards. Put them in age order. just put Mina here. And I think that's it for twice. This page is honestly my favourite because I was like, I never have any of the other members' cards unless it's like a spare. So I just thought I'll just get all of these ones because there's only one type of the coloured ones. And then I can have all of their colours as well. That's so pretty, I love it. And we've got 2 more cards. And I didn't bring enough pages. So I just got this last AB6 group card. See, I set this page up as like a group card page, but they're not having group cards for this next comeback, which sucks. So then we have this EU card. I wasn't planning on collecting Everglow, but then I found a trade for my Onda and was like, yes, my baby EU. But I just need to go get a page because I didn't get one for her. But I'll just set up the page for Hushed as well. So I think there's 2 cards per album, something like that. I won't be getting any group cards. I don't like group cards. Well, no, I don't like group cards. I'm about to contradict myself like massively. I don't collect group cards, but then I bought that AB6 group card. It's just I know that Everglow have like quite a lot of group cards or something from Hush. So I'll just keep the group card that I pull. And the other 2 for Hush. And then this is in alphabetical order, so E is before F, so Everglow from Stein. So I think that's all of the cards that I needed to sort out today. So yeah, thank you for watching and hopefully this video works out.